So we're 2 weeks away from Tony and Vic showing up to finish up the Ford and drive it to Massachusetts. So one of the things that I'm going to be doing is there's a hole in the muffler pipe right down here somewhere. Yeah, it's there. So we're gonna fix that, and then we're gonna do the tail lights because we got that one there, this one here. All the rest of the lights work, and we got new marker lights. That looks like a boat light. I think that's a camper light. Anyway, Tony Vic sent new lights, so this one's the same way. That was on the fly right there. So we're going to do the lights and the muffler pipe so that it can be driven. And oh, I left a piece of wood back here, and I still got that and that. Other than that, it's all cleaned up. It's rained a little bit, hasn't rusted anymore. It is sitting it's been raining here in Texas like crazy, so there's a little bit of mud. I haven't tried to drive it because it's been muddy, and I was in Phoenix, so missed a whole week there. But and then there's my 84 C10. So anyway, we're gonna get this going, and they're gonna be out here, and then we're gonna take and drive this baby across about 5-6 days, and just thought I'd tell you what we're doing. We are rebuilding the motor for this one in the barn over there, but we're getting it. It's motivation, and when it's not raining, it's been raining way too much, as you can see by the grass. I just got it cut the other day, as you can see, and that took the whole day, almost of it. But yeah, so we're gonna get this going and get it moving. I've driven it, back and forth in the yard here a bunch of times, so it drives really nice. Smokes a little bit when you start up, but it's an old motor. It's out for 9 years, didn't move, so that's all good. Anyway, that's how we're gonna do it. But I thought I'd let y'all know what's got planned for this week. 2 of the fixes on there, and rebuilding the motor in the meantime. Wow, I got a lot of garbage in here. Look at this. Looks like a trash pile. I should probably do something about that. I didn't even realize it was in there. That's funny. But we're ready to go to the Texas Hill Country. Old school maps. Can't beat them. Oh, shoot. Here's my freaking tips for the pressure washer. That's funny. They could have been lost anywhere. It's been all kinds of rainy out here. I'm going to stick them in here. I was going to say, I can't believe I did that, but yeah, I can. I can believe it. Oh, didn't shut all the way. There we go. All right, so we'll catch you this week in our little videos. Later.